Chiva Falls. It's so awesome.
How you feeling about this road?
Well,
give it to me straight.
Could be worse.
It could be better.
It could definitely be better. There's a lot of potholes.
A lot of potholes. It's not terrible, just enough to make me want to throw up.
We're not there. We have to go through this.
If by there you mean the crux of the drive.
Are we going to be all right?
We are there.
Got a Jeep for this girl.
Slam on it!
Yeah.
Hit it!
That was nothing.
What are we doing now?
We're gonna hike to Chiva, and it's cold out here.
Chiva or Chiva?
Chiva.
Chiva
Not
Falls.
Chivo. Okay, we're ready. We've snacked. We ate all the puffy Cheetos.
You got your puffy on?
I got my puffy on. I've got 4 layers on.
Where's your umbrella hat?
I'm gonna be confident and leave that in the car. It looks pretty blue skies. This hike is generally a Jeep road.
Hillary changed into nice dry shoes at the car. And now she wants to stay dry. Are you ready for this? Oh, how can this go wrong? Let's do it. Still dry?
Still dry.
Okay, good.
They're hanging in there.
We're gonna get the Jeep coming through. Nice job.
That is insane. That you're getting your Jeep through all that. That is
It's a crazy road.
It gets rougher up there.
Does it? Oh gosh.
And you took your Jeep that.
Oh yeah, all the way to the falls.
Wow, that's incredible.
Holy crap.
This is what they were driving on. That is pretty crazy. Oh wow. That's rad. Behind the waterfall. How cool is that? Here's another Jeep. I'm not getting too close. Oh, darn. Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
I knew what you wanted.
Heather's trying to get her coat on because it's freaking cold out here. It's
freaking cold.
So windy. We might get rained on, I don't know. But if we do, then we have a Jeep ride back out of here. So looking forward to that. Chiva.
Not.
I can't have one solid video
Okay, stop.
without censoring
Leave
things.
something out.
Anyways, hey, that's my friend Heather.
Hello.
I don't think you're gonna pet it.
I disobeyed the first rule of not peeing into the wind. Oops.